You survived the crash. The initial shock has worn off, but now the envelopes are starting to pile up on your kitchen table. An insurance adjuster just called and offered you a check. It feels like a relief. You want this whole nightmare to be over so that you can get back on with your life. But signing that paperwork right now would be a massive mistake. I'm Anna Burr with Burr Injury Law. Welcome to part 3 of our 4-part series on pedestrian and bicycle safety. In our previous videos, we covered the dangers of distraction and what to do in the first 24 hours after a crash. Today, we're looking at the future. We're talking about how to calculate the real long-term costs of your injuries. When a car hits a person, the physical damage goes far beyond the emergency room. The insurance company wants to pay you for the ambulance ride and the first hospital visit. They want to close the file before you realize how badly you're actually hurt. But healing from a pedestrian or cycling accident is rarely a quick fix. You might need months of physical therapy just to walk comfortably again. A knee injury might require surgery 2 years from now. You could need ongoing pain management or specialized care. If you accept a quick settlement today, you pay for those future medical bills out of your own pocket. We help you look ahead. We work with your doctors to understand exactly what your body will need 10 or 20 years down the road, ensuring those costs are covered. Your injuries do not just drain your bank account through medical bills. They also stop you from earning a living. Missing a few weeks of work is stressful enough, but what if your injuries prevent you from doing your job the way you used to? What if a traumatic brain injury makes it impossible to stare at a computer screen all day? What if severe back pain means you can no longer stand for your entire shift? The cost of your accident includes the paychecks you're missing right now and promotions or career opportunities you might miss in the future. We calculate the exact impact this crash has on your ability to provide for your family. We fight to make sure the insurance company covers every dollar of your lost earning power. There are costs you can put on a spreadsheet, like hospital bills and lost wages. Then there are the costs that change who you are. We call this pain and suffering. It's the anxiety that keeps you awake at night, the sharp pain that stops you from picking up your child. It's the fear of crossing the street or getting back on your bike. The insurance company sees you as a file number. They use a computer program to assign a strict dollar value to your pain. But your life is not a formula. We take the time to learn how this accident actually changed your daily life. We put a spotlight on your human experience, and we force the insurance company to recognize the real emotional toll this crash took on you and your family. Figuring out what your case is truly worth is a complicated, exhausting process. When you're already in pain, it feels impossible to fight a massive insurance company by yourself. You don't have to. Allow us to help. We handle the aggressive adjusters, the complex math, and the frustrating paperwork. We negotiate for you. We stand by your side to make sure you get a fair resolution that protects your future while you focus entirely on your recovery. If you or someone you care about was injured in a pedestrian or cycling accident, reach out to us today. We're here to listen and answer your questions. Next time, in our 4th and final video of this series, we'll talk about the final steps of your claim and what happens if the insurance company refuses to be fair. Thank you for watching, and remember, we're here when you need us.